Behavioral health experts say this quarantine can be triggering for people dealing and battling with mental illness or addiction. Leaders with the CenterPointe Behavioral Health System in St. Charles decided to keep their doors open during this pandemic. News 4's Ashley Lincoln is live in Weldon Spring at a facility where they say they've seen more cases. Ashley?
That's right, Samantha. They tell us that more people are coming in with severe depression and anxiety surrounding fears related to COVID-19. Leaders here tell us that they are also dealing with those cases, along with 3 people who tested positive at this facility.
I know people are scared about getting sick.
That's why leaders here at the CenterPointe Mental Hospital in Weldon Springs says they've seen an increase in the number of patients with mental health symptoms like depression, anxiety, and substance abuse since the COVID-19 outbreak started.
And when you're isolated, you're more prone to develop a mental, something could pop out, a mental disease, or exacerbate something you already have.
People are showing a lot of anxiety with being around people.
Staff here say along with treating individuals with severe mental issues, they're also treating those who've tested positive, having COVID-19. So far, just 3 patients are positive.
But we have to make sure that they know that we are taking every precaution necessary at this time.
It's heartbreaking. You almost feel crippled.
Registered nurse Lacey Drysword says she knows how isolating it is getting treated for COVID. She tested positive and has now recovered.
I'm very blessed.
CenterPointe professionals say many COVID-19 patients are dealing with 2 things: the symptoms associated with the virus and mental instability of being isolated in quarantine.
That's why CenterPointe is so important, that we've stayed open and provide treatment for these people and keep them safe at the same time.
Now, leaders say they plan to keep this facility open during this pandemic. They do tell us that they are still offering outpatient services. So if you or a loved one are battling any mental illness during this time, you can contact them. We'll have all of that information available on our KMOV News app. Live tonight in Weldon Springs, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.